In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new personal list feature in ClickUp to make private tasks. This feature is perfect if you want to place inside ClickUp to track things that only you can see, like personal reminders, draft ideas, or work notes that aren't ready to share with your team yet. Start by opening your ClickUp Workspace and heading to any existing list in one of your projects. It doesn't matter which list you choose here, we're just using it as a starting point to access the personal list option. Once that list is open, look towards the area that shows your views or list options. You'll see an option related to personal list, usually in the same place where you'd switch between different views or create new ones. Go ahead and click that highlighted area to open the menu, then select Personal List. This tells ClickUp that you want to work inside your own private space, separate from the shared project lists. If you see another highlighted control or drop-down related to personal list, click it as well. The idea is to confirm that you're switching to or opening your personal list view, not just browsing the shared project. You may need to click a second time on a similar highlight or icon. This is typically ClickUp asking you to confirm where you want to create or open the personal list. Again, choose Personal List when it appears. After you've selected it, ClickUp will open a dedicated area where your personal tasks live. Now that you're in the personal list area, look for the task creation controls. This is usually a button or plus icon near the top or bottom of the list. Click the highlighted button to start adding a new task. If you see another highlighted option for adding tasks, click that as well. Sometimes ClickUp gives you both a quick add area and a more detailed task creation button. Once your empty task row appears, click into the task name field. Here you can type something like Task 1 or any real task you want to keep private, such as Prepare Notes for Meeting or Personal Follow-up List. Press Enter or Confirm to create it. Finally, click on the task itself to open the full task view. From here, you can add descriptions, due dates, and other details just like any other ClickUp task. The difference is that this task is sitting in your personal list, which keeps it private to you and out of your team's shared spaces.